So next one, f of z is z square minus 1 by z plus 2 into z plus 3. Expand this as Lorentz series in first one mod z greater than 3 and second one 2 less than mod z less than 3. So in this case, the function is z square minus 1 by z plus 2 into z plus 3. And what's the degree of the numerator? It is 2. What's the degree in the denominator? It is also z into z square, so 2. So if the degree of the numerator and denominator are same, by partial fraction method, we need some constant, a quotient a also. So a plus, then fractions b by z plus 2 and c by z plus 3. Then taking the LCM, a into z plus 2 into z plus 3 plus b into z plus 3 plus c into z plus 2 by z plus 2 into z plus 3. Then now equate the numerator, z square minus 1, a into z plus 2 into z plus 3 plus b into z plus 3 plus c into z plus 2. Now put values for z. If z is minus 2, we will be getting 4 minus 1, 3 as b. If z is minus 2, this term is 0, this is also 0. So b into 1, that is b. If z is minus 3 square is 9 minus 1, 8. Then this will be 0, minus 3 plus 3, 0, minus 3 plus 3, 0. So c into minus 3 plus 2, that is minus c. So c is minus 8. Now we need to find a also, so put z as 0. So it's minus 1, 0, 2 into 3. That is 6a plus 3b plus 2c. That is minus 1, 6a plus what is 3b? 3 into 3, 9. Then c minus 8, so minus 16. So 6a is equal to minus 7. Okay. Minus 7 to the left hand side plus 7 minus 1, 6. So what is a? A is 1. So the fraction becomes a, 1 minus 1 plus b by z 3 by z plus 2. Then c minus 8 by z plus 3. Okay. So now the function is this one. F of z is this one. This is the function. Let it be there. Then what's the first case? First case is mod z is greater than 3. So mod z greater than 3 means in order to apply binomial expansion, 1 plus x the whole raised to minus 1 or 1 minus x the whole raised to minus 1. This mod x should be less than 1. So 1 plus x the whole raised to minus 1 is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube, etc. So in any case, mod x is less than 1. So if mod z is greater than 3, then mod z by 3 is greater than 1. Or taking the inverse or reciprocal, 3 by mod z is less than 1. Okay, 3 by mod z is less than 1. So mod x less than 1. The condition is mod x less than 1. So as in the case of mod x less than 1, here the case is 3 by mod z is less than 1. So we have to expand in the powers of 3 by mod z. Okay, so in this case, f of z will be 1 plus 3 by 2 z plus 2. So here, please remember that 3 by mod z is less than 1. So here z plus 2. So if we take 2 outside, that is z plus 2. If we take 2 outside, it will be z by 2 plus 1. That is not needed. If we take z outside, 1 plus 2 by z will be there in the denominator. So 2 by z. So we need to check the modulus of 2 by z. 2 by mod z is less than, here 3 by mod z is less than 1. So definitely 2 by mod z is less than 3 by mod z. Correct? And 3 by mod z is less than 1. So we get 2 by mod z is less than 1. So it is enough. Z into 1 plus 2 by z. So we take z outside. So it will be 1 plus 2 by z. Then minus 8 by here z plus 3. There also we can take z outside. So 1 plus 3 by z. So it will be 1 plus 3 by z into 1 plus 2 by z all raised to minus 1 minus 8 by z into 1 plus 3 by z all raised to minus 1. Or it is 1 plus 3 by z into 1 plus 2 by z all raised to minus 1 is 1 minus 2 by z plus 2 by z the whole square plus etc. or minus etc. Then minus 8 by z into again 1 minus 3 by z plus 3 by z the whole square minus etc. Okay. So this is the expansion in the case of mod z greater than 3. And there is one more case, 2 less than mod z less than 3. So second case is that 2 less than mod z less than 3. So in this case, 2 less than mod z and mod z less than 3. So two cases are there. If 2 is less than mod z, 2 by mod z is less than 1. So in one case 2 by, we need to expand in the powers of 2 by mod z. And here mod z less than 3 means mod z by 3 is less than 1. So again z by 3 into power ആക്കി എഴുതണം. നമ്മുടെ f of z എന്താ? f of z is 1 plus 3 by z plus 2 minus 8 by z plus 3. Okay. So it is 1 plus 3 by z plus 2. So we need to write the powers of 2 by mod z. So if you take z outside, it will be z into 1 plus 2 by z. Okay. So we get the powers of 2 by z. Then minus 8 by z plus 3. Here mod z by 3 is less than 1. So we need to take 3 outside. So it will be 1 plus z by 3. Always find the region where the series expansion is valid. That is given in the question also. So from this we need to write the expression or the region in terms of less than 1 term. So less than 1 means the term in left hand side will be the series will be in powers of the terms in the left hand side. So we can arrange it. So 1 plus 3 by z into, it will be 1 plus 2 by z the whole raised to minus 1. Minus 8 by 3 into 1 plus z by 3 the whole raised to minus 1. Okay, these are all valid expansion. 2 by z is less than 1 and z by 3 is also less than 1. So it is 1 by 3 by z into 1 plus 3 by z into 1 minus 2 by z plus 2 by z the whole square minus etc. Then here also 8 by 3 into 1 minus z by 3 plus z by 3 the whole square etc. So this is the expansion. Okay.